So this is the first coat, and a drop of water got there. When I put the plywood to dry, it had a drop of water, and the paint didn't dry there, and as I wiped it, it all came off. So that's something to fix in the future. Other than that, as you can see, the brush left some marks. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. It's basically, there's no paint in those lines. The brown color is poking through. So it definitely needs a second coat of paint. That's what I'm going to do today. And the holes, some of them are still visible, others not so much. Like there. And there. It's not so bad. I think I leave it like that. The second coat will cover it some more, so I think it will be fine. The question is whether I have to put just one more coat, or another two, because these lines are pretty bad. You can see this without proper lighting, that it's brown, not black. Oh well. Maybe if I use some other tool, not a simple brush. But right now that's what I have, and this was the result. Maybe in another project I'll try something different, to spray the paint or roll it or something. Yeah, that's it for now.